Have you ever been in a situation where you knew you were right, but no one seemed to hear you? Your argument is valid, your points are clear, but anger, tension, or raised voices are drowning everything out. In those moments, calmness is your greatest weapon. Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, taught us that the unexamined life is not worth living. His wisdom shows that engaging in conversation with patience, thoughtfulness, and reason is far more powerful than shouting. Today, we're going to learn how to use Socratic techniques to win arguments calmly without raising your voice. Techniques that not only make your points heard, but also maintain respect, trust, and clarity. Ready? Let's begin, following the path of Socrates. Step 1. Listen first, respond later. When you actively listen, you show respect for the other person's viewpoint. Socrates believed that true understanding begins with hearing others completely. Step 2. Ask questions. Instead of saying, "You're wrong," try asking, "Can you help me understand why you think that?" Does questions guide the discussion, not force it? Step 3. Use logic and facts. Personal attacks and opinions disguised as truth only escalate tension. Facts, on the other hand, make your argument unshakable. Step 4. Control your tone. A calm voice communicates confidence and authority. Silence or a measured pause can often be more persuasive than words. Step 5. Empathy and validation. Acknowledge the other person's feelings, even if you disagree. This simple act reduces defensiveness and opens the door to meaningful conversation. These 5 steps, listening, questioning, logic, tone, and empathy, form the foundation of Socratic argument techniques. They allow you to win arguments not by force, but by reason, reflection, and respect. Let's see these techniques in action. In a team meeting, instead of snapping back at a colleague, Alex calmly restates their point. "So what I hear you saying is..." This simple act shows understanding and instantly lowers tension. In family arguments, repeating what others say and asking thoughtful questions like, "Can you explain why you feel that way?" turns a potential conflict into a constructive conversation. Notice the difference in the split screen. Shouting escalates the argument, while calm Socratic questioning leads to clarity and respect. In everyday situations, whether at work, home, or a cafe, these small techniques make a huge difference. Your calm voice, combined with logic and empathy, becomes your most persuasive tool. Socrates taught that reflection and patience are key. By applying these techniques, you not only win arguments, you strengthen relationships, build trust, and create meaningful dialogue. Your body speaks louder than your words. Open posture, calm gestures, and eye contact communicate confidence and credibility. Notice the split screen. Tense posture and raised voice escalate conflict. Calm posture, slow breathing, and measured tone convey authority and self-control. Pausing before responding gives your words weight. Speaking clearly and calmly ensures your message is understood without raising your voice. Socrates believed that controlling yourself is the foundation of control over the conversation. Nonverbal cues and tone are extensions of your reasoning. They make your argument persuasive even before a word is spoken. Combine these techniques with active listening and Socratic questioning, and you create an environment where calm reasoning wins over aggression every time. When you consistently approach arguments with calmness, patience, and reasoning, the benefits extend far beyond the conversation itself. In the office, colleagues respect your perspective. At home, family members feel heard and understood. Friends and peers turn to you for advice, valuing your calm judgment. Socrates taught that self-control and reasoned dialogue lead to clarity and wisdom. Over time, practicing calm argumentation strengthens relationships, builds credibility, and fosters an environment where ideas can be exchanged constructively. The long-term impact is profound. Trust grows, conflicts decrease, and your voice carries influence without ever needing to shout. Calm reasoning doesn't just win arguments. It transforms your interactions and your reputation, creating lasting respect and harmony. Even with the best intentions, people often make mistakes in arguments that escalate tension and reduce credibility. Mistake 1. Letting emotions take over. Anger, frustration, or impatience can cloud judgment and drown out your message. Mistake 2. Not listening fully. Interrupting or assuming you understand someone's point leads to miscommunication and defensiveness. Mistake 3. Ignoring perspectives. Dismissing others' opinions outright prevents constructive dialogue and reduces respect. By avoiding these mistakes, staying calm, listening actively, asking clarifying questions, and focusing on facts, you maintain control over the conversation and ensure your argument is persuasive. Socrates demonstrated that patience, reflection, and respect for dialogue are more powerful than shouting or dominating. Learning from these common errors strengthens your ability to communicate effectively in any situation. Throughout this series, we've explored how to win arguments without raising your voice. From Socratic questioning to body language, tone control, empathy, and patience, each technique strengthens your ability to communicate effectively. The key takeaways are simple. Listen actively, ask thoughtful questions, stay calm, use logic, and show empathy. These skills don't just help you win arguments, they build trust, respect, and stronger relationships. Socrates taught that reflection, self-control, and reasoned dialogue are the pillars of meaningful conversation. By practicing these techniques, you gain influence, credibility, and the ability to resolve conflicts without anger or aggression. Remember, your calm voice is your power. Use it wisely, and you'll find that arguments become opportunities for understanding, growth, and connection rather than conflict. So, next time you face a heated discussion, follow the Socratic path. Stay composed, think critically, and speak with purpose. You'll not only make your point, but also leave a lasting impact. Subscribe for more insights like this every week. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. Join our learning community, subscribe, and stay updated.